This is the mini Wi-Fi DIY hidden camera with button attachments. This camera can be used as a body-worn camera or a DIY hidden nanny camera. It records 1080p surveillance video with its 6-hour battery. Let's take a look at what it comes with, how to set it up, and take a look at some test footage. When you receive your box, it'll come with the camera body, with the ribbon cable attached to it with the super small pinhole lens, the battery, the charging cable, the button attachments with 9 individual ways to hide the pinhole camera, and the instruction manual. To begin, just plug in the battery to the unit and plug in the charging cable to a power outlet. It will take around 3 to 4 hours to charge the battery, and the battery can operate the unit for around 6 hours. This is a universal micro USB cable, so you are able to purchase a longer one and route it directly to power if you wanted it running 24/7. You can also use that micro USB cable to run the device off of any external battery pack you may have lying around. Once your device has power, all you need to do is insert a micro SD card. This device can take up to 128, and then flip the switch on. Once switched on, the device will start recording. That's all you need to do to use it without the Wi-Fi functions. To connect it to your phone, you're going to have to get out your smartphone and download the Tuya Smart app. Once downloaded, go ahead and open the Tuya Smart app and tap the plus from the home screen and then add device. Scroll down to camera and lock, smart camera, Wi-Fi, next, 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 and then log into your Wi-Fi wherever the camera will be located. For example, your home or office Wi-Fi. After this, your phone is going to populate a super bright QR code. You just hold that QR code in front of the camera for 1 to 2 minutes, adjusting the distance and the angle, and it will automatically connect to the app. Once connected, it'll take you to that live view. From here, there's a few different functions you can play with. You can take a photo, start and stop a video recording. You can view your recorded album of photos and videos. You can set the motion alarm settings. And you can go to your entire playback history of when the device was powered on. Tap in the top right brings you to the settings for the device. You can change the video settings, alarm settings, and recording settings. Now let's take a look at a daytime fixed angle. Here you can see full HD 1080p video at 15 frames per second. Now I'm going to put this into my collared shirt and let's try out some body-worn footage with the button attachments. This is one of the most versatile and hidden cameras we have here at Spy Center. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 1-800-292-7748 or visit us online at spycenter.com. Thank you for watching.